Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today let's make another video about DIY jewelry. Take a guess what kind of stone this is? Yes, this is Tanzanite and the quality is pretty good. You can tell by the color and the clarity. Tanzanite is the birthstone of December. It is the blue and violet variety of the mineral Tanzanite. And due to this special combination of colors, Tanzanite is associated with your throat, third eye, and crown chakra. And customers from the Philippines love Tanzanite. Okay, let's make a simple adjustable bracelet with Tanzanite and sterling silver. Here's what we need: 4.5 mm faceted Tanzanite rondelle shape and sterling silver part, lobster clasp with this extension link. It will fit most wrist sizes, and 2 of the 3 mm spacer beads. This time we will use 0.38 mm stainless steel wire with plastic coating, and then the positioning beads. Usually the bead hole of this small gem cutting shape are smaller than 0.4 mm, so the regular 0.5 mm wire doesn't fit. Okay, let's do it. Sample bracelets, I usually make it 6.5 inches wrist size. And if you want to get this wrist gauge, go to my website DIYnotion.com. And some subscribers, they are interested in my new pendulum. Yeah, I will make it available next week. I love this color. And then test it. Make sure it's secure. Okay. So beautiful. You can use 14K gold or 18K gold parts for this bracelet. More classy, and Tanzanite really goes well with gold. Yeah, I usually use sterling silver parts, so the price will be more affordable because this kind of Tanzanite is not cheap. And I just finished some anhydrous rings. This amber ring is my mom. I just repaired for her. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.